Hello and welcome back to my channel Get Coded, and this is class 17 on C programming. In the last class we had discussed about addition and subtraction of matrices. Also we had a discussion over the multiplication of matrices. So in today's class I would be showing you the use of pointers. So if you remember, in class 14, the sum of array elements, we had used the pointers. Okay, so basically I hope you all know how to declare a pointer. If you don't know, I would explain you again in this video.
So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press that bell icon so you don't miss any content about my channel. I post every Monday and on Wednesday at 6 p.m.
So I'll just quickly write down the structure of the program. So in this structure, we are first going to initialize a variable. Let's say there is int x which is equals to 10. I want one pointer which is going to point at the address of my x variable. So I will declare the pointer. So to declare a pointer, we simply write int asterisk and the name of the pointer. For the time being, I am writing p. Okay. And now I want this p to point at the address of my x. Okay. So it will come p is equals to address, we used to write ampersand and then x. Okay, so now I have stored the address of my x in the p variable. After this step, we are simply going to print out the addresses and the values. To print out the address, we are simply going to write the address of x variable is, and the address of x variable we have stored in p. Okay, and you can write ampersand x also. So here it's going to be in a hexadecimal value. So percentage x demonstrates the hexadecimal value. Okay, and after that we are going to check if the p has the same address. Okay, so this p has stored the address of x, so it will display out the same value as x. And here if you check the address of p variable, this p will have a different address than that of x. So this won't be the same as that of the x. Okay, different with respect to x. And after that we are simply going to print out the values. So the value of p variable would be asterisk p because it is going to store the value of the x. But if you write only p, it will display you the address of x. Okay, that's why you need to write asterisk p, and the value of x, obviously it's going to be 10. Asterisk p is going to be 10. Okay, so this p has accessed x. So we would just simply run our program. The address of x variable is something. The address stored in p variable is same. You can see we had written the same as x, and then the address of p variable is different. Okay, you can see 08 and here you can see 04. So it is different with respect to x. Okay, and then value of p and x are 10. So that's it for the use of arrays. So if you all liked it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you also press that bell icon so you don't miss any content about my channel. You can ping me on Instagram if you have any doubts or want to share anything. I post every Monday and on Wednesday at 6 p.m. So make sure you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.